Un pochino a sinistra.
Padre Antonio ci è stato di grande aiuto.
Un filo a destra.
Pensavo che mi piacerebbe avere una sua fotoricordo.
Type any loose ends in the Vatican before I head to the Fountain Confession.
Buongiorno, padre.
Bravo, signor sì.
Fountain of Confession. Didn't look like this back in the days of Augur the Giant. Something about those dragons up in the towers. Should get up there and take a closer look at those dragons. Seems like the dragons can be turned. The Dragon of Light turned to the dark and the sanctuary was unveiled. Bad angle. The dark beast looked upon the light, and the sacred doors opened. Somebody lost a clue.
Hey, Strambo!
Jesus!
What have you found?
Gina!
Is this a hidden door, Dr. Jones?
Where's my hat?
Are you pursuing some forbidden secret, perhaps?
Look, Gina, this has been swell. And I hope you find your sister, but I work best on my own. Where's my hat?
It's here. Now, how do we open this? Any clues?
Well, I found this claw. It's been restored. The foundation is at least 1,000 years old. Perfect. Sounds like I did something.
It's rotating! Look, there's a handle. I say we try pushing it. I've never seen anything like this. Is it locked?
Yeah. Must be the entrance, but it's locked up tight.
Why is that man holding a bucket?
It's a receptacle to carry holy water for baptizing.
The Holy City seems to be a place full of mystery.
Sister, you don't know the half of it. Baptism. Maybe I can move the statue. I need to fill the bucket with water. Maybe if I attached my whip to the ring. All right. Move both statues into position, fill the bowl with water, and pour it on the small one. Not quite right. around the sides. I need a better angle. Maybe if I rotate the center of the fountain. These handles around the rim must rotate the fountain. Boats. An age-old symbol. Looks like the boat should move to the other side. But these rings can be rotated. Need to clear a path for the boat.
Is that a boat? What does it mean?
Could be the Ark of Bulrushes. It carried Moses down the Nile.
That doesn't look like baby Moses. How did you find this place?
There was a old scroll inside the chest. Let's just save it for another time, huh? I'm going inside. I don't need it.
Are you coming?
Guess that didn't take no for an answer.
Oh, mio Dio. It's a long way down, isn't it?
Just be careful. course they are. Connections.
Something about flames. What does it say, Professor? Dr. Jones, are you okay?
Just great! Found the first trial.
It's closing again! What are you doing?
What do you think? Trying to get out of here.
Oh, there you are. Get up here.
Yes, ma'am.
This seems like some kind of test.
Most cultures have tests of courage or agility, or wisdom, often meant to prove that a person is ready to be an adult. Gotta get a better view. This angle's no good. I guess someone doesn't want visitors.
Dr. Jones! Come on, Judeo! Watch it! What is this place? Everything in here is so big.
Like it was made for giants.
Giant. Oh, thank God.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
More dragons.
A gate this big must be guarding something important.
How did the clergy manage to keep hold of this secret?
Common priests have no clue. Whatever this secret order is, it's strictly for the Vatican's inner circle.
What is that?
Beats me.
Must be part of his challenge.
Mind if I borrow this? Oh, let's see here. That's not good.
Hey! I'm trapped here!
Hang on. I'll figure this out.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Yeah,
There has to be a way to open the gate.
I know. It's gotta be a test.
Oh man, you'll pass it to me. I'll take it to the other side.
Here, for the help.
Gate open! Come on!
What about the fire?
You'll have to find a way over it. Come on! I don't think you have much time. You made it! Let's go! Oh, thank God we're out of there. Is this the thing blacksmiths work in? Una fucina.
It's of angels carrying the blazing fire of forgiveness.
Look! The metal is flowing into the mold.
It sure is.
You know, I could tell right away you were not a priest. They're usually very clean and tidy.
Watch it. I shower. Just perhaps less frequently out on the field.
Never seen a place like this.
Probably not par for the course in journalism to explore hidden catacombs.
Usually it's things like spying on fascist meetings and reporting from the Ethiopian war front.
Let the light guide your path. The spot below the grating will glow. The spot below the grating will glow when a pillar is in the correct position. The spot below the grating will glow when a pillar is in the correct position.
It's a bit hot in here.
What's wrong? Bothered by a little heat?
Gina! Help me with these chains, will you?
Coming.
Nice work.
Watch out!
I'm okay.
Dear me. They don't want people to get in, do they?
Just another day in the office. Let's try something else.
You actually did it.
Oh, you had doubts?
Of course not.
Angels bearing flaming swords.
Another forge, Dr.
guarding
Jones.
the gates to paradise. All my finds are special. But only one has been stolen by an agent of the Holy See who traveled halfway around the world, broke into my museum, and fought me for it. There's something fishy going on. I need to know what.
That's one.
The keys of St. Peter, symbol of the Holy See.
Of course, the keys to heaven. I've seen them on the Vatican flag. Okay, let's open it.
Home to a secret organization that's been working in the Vatican for over a century.
This place looks very old.
My guess, 6th century.
Look, Jones. Lights. Someone's been here.
An angel holding a scroll. Perhaps a representation of Metatron, the celestial scribe.
This in no time. Did you hear that?
Yeah. This language.
Do you know it?
It's familiar. Parts of it look like cuneiform.
I thought you were an expert, Dr. Jones.
I am. Only one person in the world that knows more about dead languages than me.
Who's that?
Your sister, Dr. Laura Lombardi. What do we have here? What language is this? Brother Locus traveled to the New World and located the word in a school. Locus, huh? Brother Locus received minimal injuries during retrieval. I don't know about minimal. It appears in the form of a cat and has been placed in a treasury of esoteric artifacts. We have to find this treasury, Gina. Maybe there's some clues in here.
Something strange about this.
Oh yeah? You an art critic too? Book of Prayers. Concerning the origin of the Nephilim order.
Nephilim? What's that?
Hebrew for giant. Children of fallen angels in Judeo-Christian mythology. This looks like some sort of historical record or maybe an origin myth. A tribe of giants swore loyalty to St. Peter during the founding of the Christian church to atone for their ancestral sin.
Oh, sounds very historical.
Myth or history? Just different ways of interpreting the past.
Wait, there is something behind the painting.
Okay.
Secret door.
I'll go ahead. Open it. A version of the Bible I've never seen before.
It's
It's like an account of the Crusades.
Can you help me out, Dr. Jones? Dr. Jones, someone's coming.
Get in, quick!
I can hear someone back there.
Let's keep going. There's gotta be an exit up ahead.
The children of fallen angels?
In the Book of Enoch, the Nephilim corrupted God's creation, triggering the Great Flood, which cleansed the earth.
I hope I never meet one of those. Are we trapped? Is this a dead end?
That doesn't make sense.
There is a symbol here. And what does a world-class archaeologist make of it?
It's the same symbol Antonio and I found in the library.
Antonio?
I do have friends.
Huh. How did you... Ammazza.
Give you the Vatican's treasury of esoteric artifacts. Nothing there?
Oh no. Just shadows.
Is this your cut, Mommy? Come look at this, Dr. Jones.
They built quite the collection here. There you are, my friend.
Hic locus vitutus est.
That's a real-life giant, Dr. Jones.
Yep. You're Locust, right?
Sanctus reliquies repone.
Sure. Bad first impressions and all that, but that's water under the bridge. Doesn't mean that we can't still talk this out like civilized. I guess not.
Estis morte vellatoris.
I can take you on!
Get up! Keep fighting!
Dolite
Hey!
cari.
Da questa parte!
Scatti.
Attenzione! Nice hit! I keep distracting him!
The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Are you even trying?
Ego no volo vos funerai. Sed necesse est. Camia hunc, lacum so uti est.
Behind!
Hic locus sanctus est.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Camia hunc locum so uti estis. Et est.
Ma sono un insegnante! Take that! You were right for the
I've never seen anything like this.
Beccati questo!
Well, I can feel a pulse. We don't want to be here when he wakes up. Give me a hand, will you?
Se il Papa lo viene a sapere, sarà la fine per me.
Amico mio, il Papa è debole, moribondo. Preferireste irritare lui o irritare me?
Però la mia fiducia in voi, finito?
Bravo. Vertrauen, ein wunderbares Konzept. Nicht wahr, Herr Voss?
Vertrauen, Exzellenz, ist unabdingbar für den Sieg. Das verstehen Sie sicherlich, Pater Ventura.
Ho accettato di mostrarvi la sala del tesoro segreta, ma non si può prendere niente.
Mio vecchio caro amico, non vorrete certo deludermi, vero? Herr Voss prenderà quello che gli serve.
Ma Benito, il Papa mi ucciderà.
Ich glaube, es gibt schlimmere Dinge als den Tod, Pater Ventura.
Was meinen Sie damit?
Kommen Sie kurz. Stellen Sie sich die Schmach vor, mit der ein Mann leben muss, wenn sein Privates an die Öffentlichkeit gelangt. Die allerschlimmsten Sünden, die Gott mit dem Tod bestraft, vor aller Augen offengelegt.
Was hat man Ihnen erzählt?
Ich vertraue nicht auf bloßen Klatsch und Tratsch, Pater. Ich vertraue ihr darauf, wie die Muskeln um ihren Mund zucken, wie sich ihr orbicularis oris zusammenzieht. Ihre himmelschreienden Sünden stehen ihr buchstäblich ins Gesicht geschrieben. Widerwärtige Verbrechen gegen den Heiligen Geist. Geben Sie mir, was ich will, oder sie werden zum Ausgestoßenen. Ein Schandfleck auf dem Antlitz der Kirche. Haben Sie das verstanden?
Sa essere molto persuasivo, non è vero?
Na gut. Folgen Sie mir.
Sind das die Schätze, die Berlin haben will, Herr Voss? Was ist das?
Die Relikte des großen Kreises, Exzellenz.
The Great Circle.
Die Kirche soll Jahrhunderte gebraucht haben, diese dreisten Relikte des großen Kreises zu finden. Und es sind nicht mal alle.
Oh, keine Sorge, Pater. Es sind nur noch 4 Stück, die gefunden werden müssen. Was dank der systematischen Effizienz deutscher Archäologen nur eine Frage von Wochen sein wird.
Ich muss Sie warnen, Herr Voss. Die Relikte sind gefährlich. Sie sollen Kräfte bürgen, die nicht von dieser Welt sind.
Und genau deswegen will der Führer sie haben.
Ich erwarte, dass auch Italien von diesem Vorhaben profitiert, Herr Voss.
Vertrauen Sie mir, Exzellenz. Sobald wir alle Relikte haben, werden unsere beider Nationen unaufhaltsam sein.
Molto bene! Felice che abbiamo risolto questa faccenda in modo amichevole.
Bereitet den Abflug vor. Danke für Ihre Mitarbeit. Arrivederci.
Bravo!
No.
Hey, where are you going?
Following the Nazis. Back to Giza.
Back?
Yeah, that's what I said. You can't get me out. This door. I cannot open. Do you still have that pendant of yours, Dr. Jones?
You're from a long time ago. Quite the collection.
The pendant, Dr. Jones. Do you still have it?
The Vatican secret agency tried to stop Ventura.
abandoned, Dr. Jones?
Under this one.
You're right way over your head, Gina.
You found your cat.
In pieces.
Now I want to find Laura.
You have any idea of the archaeological significance of the Great Circle? I'm not letting this one go.
I don't care about your gray circle. I just care about my sister.
I've had a run-in with the Nazis before, and trust me, it ain't a walk in the park.
Okay, then. Let's see if you can keep up.
If I can keep... What do you mean if I can keep up?